Hello, lovelies. Am Emi. Imagine waking up to a bank account overflowing with cash, all from the comfort of your home, using nothing but your smartphone or laptop. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, for thousands of people worldwide, it's reality, thanks to Facebook affiliate marketing. Today, we're diving into the electrifying world of how everyday individuals are earning $10,000 or more every single month, leveraging the power of Facebook's 3 billion active users. Buckle up, because this documentary will reveal the secrets, strategies, and stories behind this lucrative online opportunity. Let's get started. Affiliate marketing is a simple yet powerful concept. You promote products or services for companies, and when someone buys through your unique affiliate link, you earn a commission. It's like being a digital salesperson, but without the hassle of inventory, customer service, or shipping. And when you pair this with Facebook, the world's largest social media platform, the earning potential is limitless. So, how do people turn clicks into cash and make six figures annually? Let's break it down. First, let's talk about why Facebook is the ultimate platform for affiliate marketing. With over 3 billion monthly active users, it's a gold mine for reaching diverse audiences. Whether you're promoting fitness gear, digital courses, or even financial services, there's an audience on Facebook waiting to buy. The platform's advanced algorithms and advertising tools let you target specific demographics, think age, location, interests, and even buying habits, with laser precision. This means your affiliate links reach the right people at the right time. Take Sarah, a 32-year-old stay-at-home mom who now earns $15,000 a month. She started with zero experience, just scrolling through Facebook, when she stumbled across affiliate marketing. She joined a program promoting health supplements, created a simple Facebook page, and started posting engaging content. Within 6 months, she was making $5,000 a month. Now, she's at $15,000, and it's growing. Her secret? Understanding her audience and building trust. Sarah's story isn't unique. Affiliate marketers like her are tapping into niches, specific markets like fitness, finance, or travel, and creating content that resonates. The beauty of Facebook is its versatility. You can use organic posts, paid ads, groups, or even live videos to drive traffic to your affiliate links. But let's get into the how. Here are the proven strategies to make $10,000 or more per month. Step 1. Pick a profitable niche you're passionate about. Love fitness? Promote workout programs? Obsessed with tech? Share links to the latest gadgets. The key is to choose a niche with high demand and low competition. Research using tools like Google Trends or Amazon's bestseller lists to find products people are craving. Once you've got your niche, join reputable affiliate programs like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, or Share a Sale, which offer commissions ranging from 5% to 50% per sale. Step 2. Build your presence on Facebook. You don't need millions of followers to start. Micro-influencers with just 1,000 engaged followers can earn hundreds per post. Create a Facebook page or group around your niche. For example, if your niche is personal finance, start a page called Money Mastery Hub. Post valuable content, tips, how-to guides, or product reviews that solves your audience's problems. This builds trust, and trust turns clicks into sales. Meet James, a 27-year-old who earns $20,000 monthly through Facebook groups. He runs a group for entrepreneurs, sharing free business tips and sprinkling in affiliate links to tools like email marketing software or website builders. His group has 10,000 members, and he makes $20,000 a month just from those links. His secret? Providing value first, sales come naturally after that. Step 3. Master content creation. Evergreen content, posts that stay relevant year after year, is your ticket to consistent income. Create engaging posts like Top 10 Budgeting Tools for 2025 or How to Get Fit Without a Gym. Use eye-catching visuals, compelling headlines, and clear calls to action like click here to learn more. Embed your affiliate links naturally within the content, ensuring they align with the user's needs. For example, a post about healthy eating could link to a meal prep service or a nutrition course. Step 4. Leverage Facebook ads. While organic reach is powerful, Facebook's paid advertising can skyrocket your earnings. Start with a small budget, $10 a day, and create targeted ads that showcase your affiliate products. Use high-quality images, persuasive copy, and a strong call to action. The key is to test different ad variations to see what resonates with your audience. Once you find a winning ad, scale it up to maximize your profits. Step 5. Engage with your audience. Respond to comments, answer questions, and create a community around your niche. Host live videos to share tips or demonstrate products, and subtly weave in your affiliate links. Facebook groups are especially powerful for this. For example, a travel niche group could share destination guides while linking to travel booking platforms. The more engaged your audience, the more likely they are to trust your recommendations. Now let's talk numbers. A single affiliate link for a $100 product with a 10% commission earns you $10 per sale. If you drive 100 sales a month, that's $1,000. Scale that to 1,000 sales across multiple products, and you're at $1,000, $10,000. High-ticket affiliate programs like those for online courses or software can pay $100 or more per sale, meaning fewer sales can still hit your $10,000 goal. With Facebook's massive reach, these numbers are achievable with dedication and strategy. But it's not just about posting links. Success comes from consistency and learning from mistakes. Track your results using tools like Bitly or affiliate dashboards to see which posts drive the most clicks and conversions. Experiment with different content formats, videos, carousels, or stories, and optimize based on what works. The more you refine your approach, the higher your earnings climb. Let's hear from Maria, a 40-year-old teacher who transitioned to full-time affiliate marketing. She started promoting online education platforms on Facebook, using a mix of organic posts and ads. Within a year, she was earning $12,000 a month, allowing her to quit her job. Her advice: stay patient and keep learning. The internet is always evolving, and staying updated on Facebook's algorithm changes and marketing trends is crucial. One final tip: diversify your income streams. Don't rely on a single affiliate program or product. Promote a mix of low-ticket and high-ticket items to balance quick wins with big payouts. Also, consider building an email list from your Facebook audience. Use a free lead magnet, like an ebook or checklist, to collect emails, then nurture those leads with valuable content and affiliate offers. This creates a sustainable income stream that grows over time. The best part? You don't need to be a tech genius or have a huge budget to start. With a Facebook account, a niche, and a willingness to learn, you can build a thriving affiliate marketing business. Thousands of people are doing it. Moms, students, retirees, and entrepreneurs, all turning their passions into profits. So what's stopping you? The opportunity to make $10,000 or more a month is right at your fingertips. Start today by choosing your niche, joining affiliate programs, and creating valuable content on Facebook. The road to financial freedom is paved with action, and every click brings you closer to your goals. If you're ready to take your affiliate marketing journey to the next level, check out the links in the description below. Order the Digital Wealth Blueprint 2.0, a step-by-step guide packed with insider tips to help you build a seven-figure income online. Plus, explore other resources to skyrocket your success. Don't forget to subscribe for more game-changing strategies. Share this video with anyone who needs to hear this and join our community of wealth builders. Your dream life is just a click away. Let's make it happen. Ones.